Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel ABC Absolute. So today I am going to make ice cream with spoiled milk. Most of time we will throw it off. So instead of throwing, today I am going to make ice cream with the spoiled milk. Here I have taken 250 ml of milk and ice cream improver. You can take any companies, and lychee powder, sugar 200 gram sugar, 200 gram of whey milk or milk powder, and spoiled milk without water. So I have switched on the flame. I'm adding milk, fresh milk, and milk powder. So you should remove the lumps. Make sure there is no lumps. Mix it well with the milk. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. Now I am adding elaichi powder and sugar. Mix it. Now I am adding spoiled milk without water. I have removed excess water from the spoiled milk. It's very tasty once you try it, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up and hit the bell icon so you will receive my new videos notification. You can see the consistency is thick. So after boiling, I am keeping medium or sim flame. Now I am adding ice cream improver. After cooking 1 minute, we switch off the flame. Mix well. You can add this mixture to any container or any glass or whatever you want. You can add it, and you need to freeze it for 12 hours or 8 hours. So I am freezing now. My ice cream is ready. You can see now it's become thicker. I'm going to remove this with scoop. Or you can keep Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Give me a like.